friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. So in today's video is going to be hopefully quick and simple. Okay, so if you've been following my posts, I don't think very many people follow my posts, but yeah, I posted a couple of pictures on Instagram that show that I'm in the process of sorting through, rearranging, cleaning up my tiny little crafty space. So I have come across, I remember I bought this and I made a whole video like several years ago, okay? Yes, several years ago, pre-2020, so it's been several years ago, of this pink pastel Heidi Swap Memorydex. Now, I do have several Memorydex spinners, okay? And I do have them in different colors. Now, because I just love Memorydex cards. As you can see, it's unopened. I have not even opened up this cutesy, pretty Memorydex spinner. So I decided to hold a giveaway. Now, all of the giveaway rules and everything are in my blog post. And I will go ahead and put the link to my blog post in the description area of this video. Now, I do have some rules and how I want the Memorydex card to look, but because of my voice, as you already know, I have problems with my vocal cords. I'm not going to be able to read through everything. I'm just going to put them here, and I know that it might as well be chicken scratch because my handwriting is horrible. So just hop on over to my blog post to see everything that is required. It's not much. I know it looks like a lot, but trust me, it is a very simple giveaway. And while I was setting up the rules, did you know that this is a leap year? So my giveaway challenge is open now. My voice is going away. Through February 29th. Yes, it is. So I'm sorry I can't speak much more. Please go ahead and click on the link right below and check out my blog post, okay? Thank you so much. I hope that many of you get an opportunity to enter. I do want to give this away to one lucky winner plus a whole lot more. And so, yeah, go ahead and head on over to my blog and check it out. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye now.